All right, what I'm going to do is walk you through how you'll submit your answers. This will be true for every packet that we do the rest of the school year. So specifically, I'm going to focus on the 1-0 packet, factoring polynomials, what you would do. So if you completed, like last class, we completed all of that lesson. We went all the way through it. We did the bell ringers, we did the DOLs. What you do is this. On the digital classroom, you're going to go, since it was lesson 1-0, that's what your packet says at the top. That 1 refers to the chapter, the 0 refers to the lesson from the textbook. So what we'll do is go to chapter 1, and then it'll be 1-0 there, meaning the very first lesson. It's a review lesson. We reviewed algebra 2. That's what the 0 is. It's review. It's not new, it's review. So this is where we would submit it. In here. Now, I alluded to the textbook. I don't give out textbooks just because you have a digital copy and it's one less thing for you to keep up with. I'd rather give you packets, something you can keep on your own. So what I'm going to do from here is I've found the 1-0 box at the bottom of the box. So really this box shows the 4 things that's required each day. First, it talks about showing up. If all possible, come to my classroom. That's why I say highly recommend that, A17 here. Secondly, if that's not possible, you can join in through the Zoom. And there's all the links, depending on the class period and all that you'll need. There's also some digital resources in case you're absent. So the YouTube of me teaching how to solve that lesson, formula chart, note packet, anything like that you might need. The second thing you need to do is take your attendance. Again, if you're in person, you don't need to necessarily have all those digital resources. That's more for if you're at home or needing help after class. So you've shown up, number 1. Number 2, you would take your attendance. Number 3, we went through the lesson. And number 4, realize something got off here. I'll fix this here. Number 4, you would do work on your homework. But how would you submit your answers? Well, you'd click on this exam 1-0. When you click that, notice that's at the near the very bottom of the box for the 1-0 box, chapter 1, lesson 0. It's at the very bottom. You would click that link and it would open up basically a window that says the same thing, except at the very bottom it has buttons. And for you, it'll probably say start this exam. I've already shown a class. That's why mine says resume, because I've already clicked it once. But either way, you can start it, and then that's where you would submit all your answers in. Notice number 1 corresponds with number 1 right here that we went over last class. So with that, go through and submit all your answers. And after you're done, hit your I've finished, and you ought to get a grade. So for myself, I haven't filled in any. It should show me a 0. But I could retake it. I want you to know you can retake this up to 10 times. So it'll say first attempt. I got a 0 because I didn't put any answers in. Hopefully you get 100, but if you don't, you can immediately start this exam again and try again.